Welcome back to the Sensational Crafter, where creativity and money saving meet. In today's video, I'm going to be spreading some holiday cheer and showing you three gift wrapping hacks that you can use this holiday season. And whether or not you're just getting started with your gift wrapping, or maybe you've already started and you're just looking for a creative new way to wrap the rest of your gifts that you have left, this video is definitely one to watch. So starting off with hack number 1, I'm going to show you how to make holiday pillow boxes. Those adorable little pillow-shaped boxes that come out every holiday season, and they're often stuffed with gift cards and candy. They're so cute, and you can buy them, you guys, literally from almost anywhere, from Amazon, even down to the dollar store. But if you're anything like me, oftentimes you don't quite get enough, and no one wants to go back out in the cold just to get one more pillow box. So you guys, I've got you covered. As long as you've got at least one, you can literally take your pillow box and just, as you can see here, cut it open on the sides with some scissors and trace the outline. You want to trace it on some mid to heavyweight cardstock, and once you've done that, you literally have a template and you can make as many pillow boxes as you want. And you can make them in every color, every design under the sun, as long as you use cardstock. And this may be an especially helpful hack for my scrapbookers out there who tend to always have a plethora of cardstock on hand. Put it to good use, you guys. Put it to good use. So once you've cut the template, you're just going to go ahead and take some tape and you're basically just going to tape it back together and fold down the sides, and there you have a pillow box. And you can keep the one that you cut and go ahead and do the same thing with that one so that you can really get your money's worth here. And there you have it, adorable holiday pillow boxes ready to fill. This gift wrapping hack is one that is great if you have smaller gifts like little trinket boxes or anything like that. This hack allows you to quickly wrap a gift and still have it look cute, you know? So you don't have to go pull out a giant roll of wrapping paper for the tiniest little gift. And I'm using a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock, and you can just wrap it the way you would your normal gifts. And this has to be one of my absolute favorite hacks of all time, you guys, because it just offers so much versatility in how you can present your presents. See what I did there? But no, seriously, it just offers so many options, and it enables you to wrap those small, delicate gifts without having to break out the roll of wrapping paper if you don't want to. And on this channel, it's all about being creative, saving money, and using what you already have in new ways, like just hashtag make it work. Just make it work. So once you've got your gift all wrapped up, you can leave it as is, or add a bow, a tag, some curling ribbon, whatever you want. Now on to the third and final hack, hack number 3, wrapping with curling ribbon. Now this gift wrapping hack is not like the others. This one is not for the faint of heart. No. This hack is for the person who dares to defy all gift wrapping rules and opt instead to wrap their holiday gifts without wrapping anything, quite frankly. Now this particular hack works exceptionally well for those types of gifts that you purchase right out of the store and they come in a beautiful box already, or maybe they just come in a plain, simple jewelry style box that just needs a little extra something to make it special. Put a peel and stick bow on the box, or you can use curling ribbon. You can take two different colors of curling ribbon and tie them on together, and just take your scissors carefully and just glide it over the ribbon, and it creates these adorable little curls on the box. You can curl them loosely or you can curl them tightly, and it may take one or two passes with your scissors to get the perfect curl, but in the end it's just an adorable way to wrap a gift without actually wrapping it. Now, as a bonus, here's a slight variation of wrapping with curling ribbon, and for this video I'm just going to call it Curling Ribbon 2.0. And this variation is a play on the previous one I showed you guys, where you take the two colors of curling ribbon and you wrap them together, but this time you take each one and put them on separately. So as you can see, I've already tied a piece of gold ribbon onto the box, and now I'm just taking a piece of red and crisscrossing it and just tying it in the front. And once I've got both pieces of ribbon tied in the front, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the previous steps and grab my scissors and curl up the ribbon. And that is it. You've completed wrapping your gift without actually having to wrap anything. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, click the like button. And while you're at it, click subscribe if you'd like to see more creative content like this. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you so much for watching, and have a sensational day.